How to turn on or off auto blocker on Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or off auto blocker on a Samsung phone. So auto blocker is great feature for extra protection, but you can disable it if needed. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Now from here, simply scroll down again and here you'll see the option called auto blocker. So go ahead and tap on it. Now here you'll see a breakdown of what auto blocker actually does. It blocks apps from unauthorized sources, blocks malicious commands from USB cables, blocks malware-laced images, and even blocks unofficial software updates. And now here to enable auto blocker, just toggle the switch on, and if you ever want to turn it off, you can simply toggle it off. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or off auto blocker on Samsung. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.